Vegetable.
Vegetables.
They look like fruits
Yes, these are fruits
in a pine basket.
in a shopping cart. It's a trolley. So what we are going to do today
One.
is we are going on.
Seven down there.
Sorry, were you saying something, Satwik?
No.
Okay, so we are going to go on a journey today to help a little girl. All right, and
Okay.
have you along with me have to solve some problems that she is
Oh.
facing.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Okay, that's like it. So let's begin. I have a friend who has come to meet you here, and her name is. Would you like to know her name? You would like to know her name?
Would you like to know her name? Would you like to know what is she called?
You are called Swatwik. I am called Shweta. I wonder what she is called. Her name is Mishti, and Mishti is giving you a hi. Hi, Satwik. I'm Mishti.
Hi, Rusty.
Hi, Mishti. Satwik. She has a problem, and we are here to help her. All right. So we are going to go on a journey and find out what she needs. But before that, do you know Mishti has this toy with her, and her mummy has gifted this toy, and she has kept something inside that toy that nobody knows what it is. We don't know what that toy is, but we are going to find out. So what I want you to do is carefully listen. I want your listening ears to be on, and I want you to carefully listen to what is in the toy. Okay, so let's find out. Are you ready?
Yep.
Your listening ears are on?
Yep.
Yes, all right, let's go then.
A piggy bank. With toys.
What's in it?
It's a piggy bank. That's money.
It's a piggy bank, and what do you think is in the piggy bank?
Money.
Money. Mishti has been given a nice little piggy bank, and her mother has given her money to keep in it. And do you know what she keeps in that? What do you put inside? What is it called?
Money.
Money. All right, I will help you. She has a lot of coins to put inside it. And here you are. What do you see here?
One coin.
It is a 1 rupee coin. And she has some more inside it. What's this?
2 rupee coin.
2 rupee coins. And
5
look closely. That's right. 5 rupee coins.
The one on the I like the sign on the coin.
You like the sign on the coin?
Yep.
Image.
On which one?
Oh,
There
no,
are different signs.
golden one. The
The
fish.
golden. What does the sign look like to you?
A man with 2 tigers.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Agrim.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Agrim. Thanks for joining in. We have one more friend of yours, who's Satwik. Can you see him? There is Satwik and Agrim. Satwik.
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Hi, Agrim. Hi, Satwik. You have a friend. Can you see them?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Agrim, I was telling Satwik that we have to go on a journey to help a little girl.
Okay, ma'am.
And In doing so, we are going to help solve a problem. So what I was showing Satvik is
How it gets
that the little girl's name is Mishti, and Mishti has a toy bank with her, a piggy bank with her. And the piggy bank has lots of coins in it.
one, two,
And I was showing, can you see something on your screen?
hold it.
There is a 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, a 5 rupee coin, and I am showing you one more. What's this? 10 rupee. Agrim, can you see the coins on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me there what is the number written on it?
10.
Okay, the first one,
1,
it's a 1 rupee coin, then
2,
2,
5,
5, and
10.
10. And you know what Satvik tells me? That he likes the design on the 5 rupee coin a lot. Is there any specific design that you like, Agrim?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
Yeah. कौन सा कोई ना आपको अच्छा लगता है?
Which one do you like?
5. 5. Where's that? Go.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now we have coins that Mishti puts in her bank. And these coins are a part of our Indian currency. And with coins, I have a 10 rupee note as well. So we can see money in coins and we can see money in notes. So Mishti has so many coins with her and her mummy is giving her some more. Can you see that? What can you see in Mishti's hand?
A piggy bank.
A piggy bank. And what about her mother? Agrim, can you see something in her mother's hand?
Rupee.
Rupees. She is giving lots and lots and lots of coins to put in a piggy bank. And what is she going to do now? Do you know? We have to help Mishti count the coins as she's putting them in her piggy bank. All right. So Mishti is going to put the coins in her piggy, and I want you to carefully look at your screen. Okay. And you have to count alongside. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Agrim, Satvik. That's great. All right.
A piggy bank.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11,
Was it 12?
11.
No.
12.
It was 10 coins. 10 coins. I think Satvik and Agrim was super fast in counting. They were waiting for Mishti to put more coins, but Mishti has only 10 to put in a bank. 10 coins, 10 rupees her mother gave her, and she put it in the piggy bank.
Oh,
Now she has some more coins. I want you all to count carefully. Watch closely, all right? Yes, watch closely.
1, 2, 3, 4,
How many coins did she put?
Four. Four coins.
Agrim and Satvik, that's right. She put 4 coins. But were all the coins the same? Were all the coins the same?
Coin same thing.
Did you look at the picture in the picture that was going in? Did you look at the coins that were going in?
Two.
सारे
There was
coin
one coin with two. Same and two. Right.
Yes, there was one coin of 1 rupee.
And there were two
There were
coins of 2 rupees.
Two coins of 2 rupees.
And one
And
coin
one
of
coin of 5. Agrim, can you read the numbers on your screen?
1, 2, 2, 3.
One,
1,
1,
2,
1,
2, and
2, 5.
5. She put 4 coins, but what is the total value?
two,
Let us count. So 1 plus 2 is how much?
3.
बताओ मैम को बताओ टोटल बताओ
3 rupees.
बताओ
Then she added 2 more rupees.
10.
10 rupees. That's excellent. She put 10 rupees in the coin. Amazing.
मैम को बोला
Now let us look. So Mishti has 10 rupees with her. What do we do? How can she use that? How will she be able to use that money that she has and her mother is giving it to her? Agrim, can you tell me?
क्या
How will she use the money? Mishti has 10 rupees. She kept putting coins inside the piggy bank. What will she do with it?
क्या करेंगे वो बताओ 10 रुपीस को
What do you do with the money that you have?
आप क्या
Satvik,
अगर आपके पास नहीं है
Yes.
क्या करोगे बताओ
what will you do with the money? What can Mishti do with the money?
Pay them.
बताओ आप सही बोलो
You play with them. What did you say?
क्या करोगे फिर बताओ
What will you do with
10 रुपीस हो गया आपके
Pay.
You pay. Who will you pay? Who will you pay?
Uh, 10 rupees.
Okay, let's find out what Mishti will do with these coins.
Okay.
Okay, but before that, let's do some more practice. All right.
carefully
So Mishti has, and we did a lot of addition. We added 1 rupee, 2 rupee coins. We added 5 rupee coins. And now we are going to do some more addition. All right. So I want you to pay attention.
wow
Bus.
I am going to show you some numbers on the screen one at a time. Okay. And we will count, we will add, and you have to tell me whether it is right or wrong. All right. Let's go.
just record count it
What do we see here, Satvik?
तो मैम
2, 5 plus 2, 1 equals 10.
So let's count. 2 plus 5 is how much?
7.
बोल रही हूँ
2
7.
1 plus 5 equals 10.
Equals 10. But let's see if that's correct. Okay. So I have 2 and 5. That makes
it makes 5 plus 2
5 plus 2 makes how much?
1. 5
7.
plus 2.
So now I'm going to add 2 more in 7. That makes how much?
बोलो
I'm going to add 2 more in 7.
7 plus 8
7.
equals 9. 9.
7 plus 2 equals 9. And then I'm going to add 1 more.
then how much one more 9
Plus
9 and 1 more.
10.
10. That's right. So is it correct? Does it equal to 10? Yes.
ठीक है
One more try. Oh my God, I have so many 2's in my screen. 2 plus 2,
2 plus 2
4.
4 plus 2.
8. 8.
Let's count again. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2,
Equals 6.
6. 6 plus 2 equals how much, Satvik?
Plus 2.
8.
Bolo, bolo.
16.
Huh?
8. That's right. And 8 plus 2?
8 plus 2 equals 10.
8 plus 2 equals 10. That's right. So this is also correct.
वो बंद कर दो.
Now I have 5 plus 5.
Okay, ध्यान से देखो. 5 plus 5 plus
10.
That's so easy. That's 10. And I have one more. I have 3 numbers now.
Okay.
2 plus 5?
2 plus 5 equals 7.
7. And if I add one more to it?
7 plus 1. 8.
7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So what I have written there, is it right or wrong?
Okay, is it right?
Wrong.
Is it equal to 10?
मैम को बोलो ना.
No, ma'am. Right, no.
First one, you gave a correct answer. The second one was also right. The third one was also right. But the fourth one doesn't equal to 10. You were right, absolutely right. Good job. So now we know our counting. We add money to be able to arrive at a number. And now it's time to help Mishti. So we know that Mishti has money.
Okay.
She has 10 rupees. So what do we do with her? I am going to take Mishti to shop. Do you go shopping with your mummy? Do you go shopping with your mummy? Agrim?
Shopping के लिए. तो मैम को
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Satvik? What about you, Satvik?
Yes.
Yes. And when you go to the shop with her, what do? Do you help mummy? Agrim, do you help mummy?
क्या ma'am?
When you go to shop with her, with your mummy, with your daddy, do you help them?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Similarly, we are going to help Mishti here today. All right. So I am taking her to the fruit store.
Whoa.
And there are lots of juicy fruits.
ध्यान से देखो.
Can you see them? Agrim, can you see them? How many fruits can you see here?
Strawberry.
How many?
6. So many, I know. 6 fruits. And what is written below each one of them?
क्या लिखा है सबके
1
नीचे?
rupee, 2 rupee. Number.
The price is written. So, Satvik, can you tell me the price of grapes?
Okay.
Look at the grapes and tell me.
But fix it.
I know it. 1 rupee.
1 rupee. Agrim, your turn. What is the price of mango?
4.
4 rupees. Now, Satvik, you again. Strawberries.
5.
Strawberries is... What is the cost? What is the price of strawberry?
3.
3 rupees. Agrim, apple.
A green apple. That's crazy.
1 rupee. Have I missed out something? Banana. Who's going to tell me about a banana?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. And what about the orange?
3 rupees.
3 rupees. Now you see the fruits. You also read the price. And do you know how much money does Mishti have?
How much money?
How much did we count? She put so many coins in a piggy bank.
Rupees थे.
10 rupees.
10 rupees. 10 rupees she put in her piggy bank. Now Mishti has to buy fruits and we are going to help her. All right. So we are going to add some fruits in her shopping cart. First, let's see which fruits go in. And mango. Mango 4 rupees. Let's add some more fruits.
2 rupees.
Which one is it? Agri?
3
Which
rupees.
fruit is it?
Which fruit?
Orange.
Orange. So Mishti bought 2 fruits. That's mango and orange. How much did she spend?
How much again?
Can we count? She spent 4 rupees and she spent
3 rupees.
3 rupees. What is the total?
2 times.
Can you do some count?
7.
7. Satvik, is that right?
Yes.
Is it 7 rupees?
He's asking to-
Can you count?
So,
And that's right. Out of the 10 rupees she has, out of the 10 rupees she has, Mishti spent 7 rupees. Does she have some more left? Can she buy some more fruits? She spent only 7 rupees. Does she have more money to buy fruits?
yep.
What do you say, Agrim? She has more money to buy fruits, I think.
Yeah, so I think
Let,
buy some
let me see. Now I am. She added an apple and she added banana.
3 rupees.
What is the total, Agrim?
Again, अच्छा, कोई इधर टोटल कितना हुआ?
Agrim,
Yes, ma'am.
टोटल अमाउंट
what did she buy and how much did she spend? Can you see on your screen?
3.
3 rupees. So Mishti bought how many fruits in all? You can tell me. Can you think of all the fruits? What did Mishti buy?
7.
First, she spent 7 rupees. And in that 7 rupees, what did she buy? Do you recall the fruits? Look on your screen, you'll be able to identify which fruit did she first buy for 7 rupees.
बताओगे कौन सा फ्रूट लिया था पहले?
पहले
हाँ,
पहले लिया था 4 and 3.
4 and
That's right.
It is mango.
And
Orange.
perfect, mango and orange for 7 rupees. Then she added some more. What did she add next?
बताओ उसके बाद क्या किया था?
Apple.
बताओ मैम को बताओ
Apple.
फ्रूट का नेम बताना है आपको.
Apple and banana. Apple and banana.
Apple and banana. So she bought 2 more fruits for 3 rupees. Has she spent all her money? No? You don't think so? She has more money, Satvik.
7 and 3.
हाँ
7 and 3 is how much?
10.
10. That's right. She spent all the money that she has. And she bought 4 fruits. Is that right? She bought 4 fruits and she spent everything that she likes. She bought some of her favorite fruits. Well done, Satvik. Well done, Agrim. You helped Mishti spend money. Yippee! Now, Mishti has finished her shopping. Now, who will go shopping? Why don't we take you to shop this time? Are you all ready to buy your favorite things? Yes? Yes? So we took Mishti to a fruit store. Agrim and Satvik, we took Mishti to a fruit store. Where would you like to go? If I gave you some money,
Market.
if I gave you some money, where would you like to go?
Market.
You market. But where in the market? What would you buy? Agrim,
Yes.
what would you buy if I give you money?
Money.
आप क्या लोगे अगर मैंने आपको पैसे दिए तो? What will you buy?
Cars.
You will buy cars. But I will give you a small amount. You may be able to buy a car. You may not be able to buy a car. What else would you want to buy?
Orange.
Yes, Satvik? Have you thought of it?
My favorite is orange.
You also want to buy fruits?
Yeah. My
Oh,
favorite
that's nice.
orange.
You will buy an orange.
Yeah.
But I have a different surprise plan for you. I am going to take you to a store of full of goodies that you like. What do you like to eat? I am going to take you to a candy store.
Whoa.
Yes, I'm sure you like to eat chocolates and toffees. Isn't that right, Agrim? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Chocolates, ice creams, candy.
I could see it right.
So I am taking you all to the candy store. But before that, I will give you some money.
Candy.
Yes, candy store. How much money would you want, Satvik?
I want
How much
If
money?
I was to give you a choice, select a number from 1 to 10.
10 rupees.
You want 10 rupees? What about you, Agrim?
Ma'am, को बोलो,
What about you, Agrim?
how much money you want?
10.
How much money would you want?
10.
Okay, you also want 10 rupees. All right. But I am going to, this is a secret for me as well. I'm going to pop open a balloon to give you some money. And I don't know how much you will get. It's a surprise for me as well. All right. So who would like to go first? Satvik or Agrim?
I.
Okay, both of y'all. So I have a balloon for you. I have 3 balloons. One is for Satvik, one is for Agrim, and one is for me. I will also come to shop with you, right? So here you go. I am clicking the first balloon, and Satvik, you get 5 rupees. And Agrim, let me see what you have.
आपको नहीं करना मैम.
At 10 rupees. Agrim, you have 10. Satvik, you have 5. And how much will I get?
I want 10.
ये आपको नहीं करना है.
You want 10? Okay. You want 10? So I will give you my balloon. All right, the third balloon is for me. I will give you my balloon and both of y'all will buy from it together. Okay?
10.
Do you remember, Satvik, how much money you have?
5.
5. Agrim, how much do you have?
10.
10. And there is another 7 rupees. 7 rupees. And I think we have another friend also who's joined us today.
I thought I had a pen.
Hello, Akash.
Oh.
Hello. Akash, can you hear me? All right. So let's begin. Akash, we are talking about money here, and we have some money and we are going to shop using that money. All right. So Satvik, your friend here, has 5 rupees. Agrim has 10 rupees. And I have 7 more rupees, which we can share with all of you. All right. So now it's your turn to go to the candy store. And I want you to carefully look at what is there in the store. What do you see here? I want all of you. Agrim, what do you see there? What is there in the... Sorry?
Ice cream.
You see an ice cream. And what is the cost of the ice cream?
5
Read carefully. What is the price of the ice cream?
5.
5 rupees. Satvik, what else do you see?
I see lollipop.
You see lollipop. That's amazing. And how much would that cost?
3.
3 rupees. Akash, can you see some pictures on your screen?
जो बोल रही हैं वो बोला करो उसने याद दे जाएगा बोला करो
आकाश, आपको पिक्चर्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपकी स्क्रीन पर? All right. And what else do we see on the screen? Is there anything else? I see so many things. I see. Satvik,
Yes.
Agrim, how many things? What are the other things that you can see here?
Pick up a blue.
You told me a lollipop. Agrim spoke to me about an ice cream.
What is this?
Is there something else?
What is this?
Cake.
मैम को बताओ.
3 rupees.
It's a cake.
3
And what
rupees.
is the first? Cake is for 3 rupees. That's right. And what is the first picture that you see there?
1 rupees.
Picture
What
नहीं.
is it? But it is of 1 rupee. But what is it?
क्या? बताओ बताओ.
Chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Chocolate.
That's right. That's
Man.
right. And the second picture,
Toffee.
Second pictures.
toffee is for how much?
4.
4 rupees. And we have one more thing that you have missed out.
What is
2 rupees. What is of 2 rupees?
this one? Okay, this one. What is it?
Can we carefully look?
What is it?
Candy.
Hold your
Candy stick. Amazing. So we have chocolates, we have candies, we have toffee, lollipop, ice cream, and cake for you to choose from. All right. So now I want you to think what you want to buy. Okay. So for that, Satvik and Agrim, do you want to get a paper and a pencil? Why don't you get a paper and a pencil to write? Akash? Agrim, can you ask your mummy to help you with a paper and a pencil? Akash? Can you hear me? Yes? Yes, very good. Can you see the pictures on your screen? All right. Now, Satvik and Agrim and Akash, you know how much money you had? You remember?
Remember?
Oh,
Ma'am ने कितने रुपीस दिए?
You remember the money that you received?
and ma'am,
You received 10. What about you, Satvik?
I got 5.
You got 5 rupees. So why don't you write that number on your sheet of paper? Can you write 5, Satvik, and can you write 10, Agrim?
Write down again 10. Write down.
Akash?
Quickly.
Akash, you have 7 rupees. Do you want help to write 7 rupees on your sheet of paper?
Please write down.
10.
Okay, that's great. So now, Satvik, what will you want to buy?
Sure.
I'll buy a candy stick.
You want to buy a candy stick. That's good, Agrim. Very good. Candy stick costs how much?
Ma'am, I want candy stick.
I know, Satvik, you want candy stick. So I'm asking you, what is the price of the candy stick?
2 rupees.
All right, write it down on your sheet. Agrim, what about you? What do you want to buy?
बताओ. Yeah. What do you want?
Ice cream.
You want to buy an ice cream? And what is the cost of the ice cream?
5 rupees.
5 rupees. Write it down on your sheet. Akash, Have you thought of something?
वहाँ नीचे
Akash, have you thought of what you want to buy? Which number have you written?
3.
Which number have you written? Can you say it out loud?
Say 3.
Can you tell me the number, Akash?
That don't exist.
Okay, I think I'm not able to hear very clearly, Akash, but I'm sure you must have written a number on your sheet of paper. So now, Satvik, you spent how many rupees? You selected candy. You spent how much money?
3.
2. Do you have some more money to spend?
2.
You can select something more. I want you to select one more thing, Satvik, and I want you also to select one more thing, Agrim.
one more thing. Okay.
One more thing. Think of it.
This.
Okay, so you have to write. Look at the price and write the price on the sheet of paper.
Candies.
हाँ कितना है?
Candies.
Akash, what have you decided to buy?
2 rupees.
Can you say the number?
15 rupees. Okay.
So now Satvik and Agrim both have bought 2 things, correct? Can you add that?
Can you add it?
What is the total, Satvik?
बताओगे आप अपना ऐड बताओ टोटल
And Agrim, can you add the numbers of the 2 things that you've bought?
कितना
Yes, 5. 17.
Why you are 10 to 8
Satvik,
17.
did you add?
7 over 7.
हाँ तो वो बताओ ना
7.
Agrim, how much did you spend?
7.
7. And how much money did you have?
बताओ आपके पास कितनी थी मनी कितनी
आपके पास कितने पैसे थे?
10.
10. So do you think you have more money to buy?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have? So you can select something more. What about you, Satvik? What is the total amount you have spent? What are the 2 things that you bought? Lollipop and
Candy.
candy. So how much did you spend?
3.
हाँ
Yes.
7 कितना हुआ अभी
How much did you spend? Can you count? What is the
write down
Satvik, you spent 2 rupees on the candy and 3 rupees on the lollipop. So what is the total?
Ma'am,
You are done. Very good. So what are the 3 things while I'm
I still 5.
you first had an ice cream,
Yes.
then
Toffee.
toffee. So how much does that cost? Ice cream and toffee?
9.
9. And then what else did you have?
आपके लिए कितना हुआ
7.
वो बताओ
7.
You bought 5 rupees in ice cream